To start YouTube channel you have to know this trick. If you do not know this trick your channel will never grow, and the last step is very important. Step number 1. First decide thumbnail. Mr. Beast made a video of 7 Wonder but he does not upload the video. Question is why? Because he does not understand what to add in thumbnail. So we can learn that. First focus on thumbnail. Step number. Make a good intro. If you make a good intro so people will watch your video full. Most of people decide to watch video or don't watch in 30 seconds, so make a good intro. People always like good intro. Step number 3. Don't let the audience reconsider your video. For this you can do this. First, your intro should be to point. Second, don't make gaps in your video, the meaning don't make too long intro, just make 30-second intro. Step number 4. To go viral your video you need good editing. Editing is very important, so edit your video like pro. Step number 5. Make 5 to 6 minutes video. If you have a new channel but you upload 20 minutes video, so people will watch your video 2 to 1 minutes, so always make 5 to 6 minutes video. Step number 6. Audio video quality. Buy a decent mic, for example. What is the secret of Algro? Secret of Algro, that voice is good, so your voice should be best. Step number 7. If you upload more video you will learn mistake about your video that you are making in your video. Uploading daily video your growth will increase. Step number 8. Don't make colorful thumbnail. If you make a colorful thumbnail people will not click your video, so always make decent thumbnail. Final step. Keep people engaged. If someone click on your video and leave right away, it is bad signal and YouTube will stop promoting and pushes your content, so you will be hook you viewers in your video immediately, letting them know that are in right place. Do what you said in your video.